In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create leads in Zoho CRM, quick lead entry. We'll start on the Zoho CRM homepage. From the top navigation, head to Sales, then open the Leads module. Once you're there, click Create Lead to bring up the lead entry form. This is where you'll add all the essential details for your new contact. Begin with the company field and type the company name exactly as it should appear in your records. Next, use the prefix drop-down to select the appropriate salutation. For example, choose Mr. if it fits. Enter the contact's first name and last name. In the title field, you can add their role. For instance, supplier is a perfectly fine example. Move on to contact details. Type the email and make sure it's formatted correctly. Add a phone number, and if you have it, the fax number as well. Enter the mobile number for direct outreach, and include the website, ideally with the full HTTPS link to avoid validation issues. In the qualification section, set the lead source to something that reflects where the lead came from. Here, choose Online Store. For lead status, select the most accurate stage, such as Contact in Future. Choose an industry. For example, Data Telecom OEM might apply. Add the number of employees and the annual revenue, using clean numeric values so your reports stay accurate. For rating, pick a meaningful option like Active to signal priority. If the prospect has opted out of marketing emails, check Email Opt-out to stay compliant. Add any additional identifiers you have, such as a Skype ID, a secondary email, and a Twitter ID. These can help your team engage across channels. Now, capture the address. Enter the street address, city and state. Add the zip or postal code, and finish with the country. Consistent address formatting makes searching and segmentation much easier later. Wrap up with the description field. Summarize how the lead came in, what they're interested in, and the next action you plan to take. Clear notes here save time for anyone who picks up the lead after you. When everything looks good, click Save. That's your quick lead entry complete. A few tips before we close. Stick to standard formats for phone numbers and revenue, avoid duplicate entries by double-checking names and emails, and use pick lists like lead source, status, industry, and rating consistently so your dashboards stay clean and meaningful. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, subscribe for more.